Welcome to the vlog! Yes, kung mapansin nyo, short hair na kita! And, short hair na ta, ako ang nagunting. I cut my own hair. What? Achieve, guys. Abi ko, hindi ko na ni ma-vlog. Abi ko, ma-fail ko. But look at it! Achieve ko ang guys. Ako lang nag-cut with the help ni Bonbon Kina. May help si Bonbon actually. Happy, gig ko yung na-achieve ko, guys. Kay, hindi ko yung magpatiki. First time ko ni makatang akong buhok. Giging kuntingan ko akong buhok, kay, because it's summer na, mainit, mapaang, kag magasto na sa conditioner. So, gingat ko na siya, and kay tungod hindi pa taka pa parlor, I cut my own hair. Kung gusto nyo makita kung paano ko siya nakat ang akong hair, watch this!
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I take my medium length hair and transform it into this super cute A-line bob cut. So here's my hair before. As you can see, my ends are pretty dull and dry, hence is why I'm going in for this needed cut. So to start off, I'm going to section my hair into 3 sections, 2 on the sides and 1 on the back. So I'm taking my part from the top of my head all the way down to the back of my ear. The reason why I'm sectioning my hair like this is because I want the size of my hair to be longer than the back, and that is going to create this A-line bob look. So with the ponytail at the back, this is going to be my guide as to how short I want my hair to be. So make sure to tie the ponytail as low and as close to the neck as possible. This will create that straight blunt look that I'm somewhat going for. Now I'm just sliding the hair tie down a little bit down the ponytail because I don't want my hair to be that short. The hair tie is pretty much going to act as a guide as to how short I want my hair to be. So I'm just sliding it down a little bit more. And I found the perfect length, so now I'm going to be going in with a good pair of shears, and I'm just cutting it right underneath that ponytail. A softer layer throughout the hair. As you can see, the cut is not perfect the first time around, so I'm just going in with my scissors once again and cleaning up that cut a bit.
Oh my God, gapas lang. Continue. Cut. May nakabalo kung ano ako nung marahon. Obviously, hindi siya tupong sa likod. What to do? Ano, tsura?
Ang background mo? Ang akong kwarto?
Of course! Kay Mary, di gali nga suga. Tinang tawa, Bibon! Ang tawa ba lang ang likod?
Kiwi-kiwi!
Mga kiwi, gid man. Pero paano ba eh? Hindi na ako balik.
Sections and just tapering the ends off until I get that desired look that I'm. If you want to go for an even more blunt cut, grab a shaver and shave the ends of that ponytail. This definitely makes the whole process a lot easier for cleaning up, but if you're using this technique, just be extra careful. Now it's time to relieve the ponytails and go in for the rest of the cut.
Ikat di? Hindi,
Babdan eh, ang amoni mo.
nakikita nyo bang nakikita ko?
Okay man di sa piyak. Dili lang kay dubul-tubul to lang buko di. Wait lang bala. Mukha ta sang plansya sa buhok para manataw ta kung diin ang kiwi kung ang kahaba. Kung ini ang basihan, do okay na siya. Kahaba na ko sa cut. Medyo. Actually, nami man siya. Actually, straight siya. Bon! Straight man sa Bon, oh! Tawabla, Bon! Straight sa Bon!
Sa ato bang siguro straight?
Drio, straight man sa.
O pag-abuti sa likod?
Ang pagawat sa likod.
Wait. Yung pa A, gid man sa?
Di, ang A.
Sa to nga ang haba. Ang lipot. You can fly away, Dabi. We can see the reality. The truths. And nothing but the truths. You can fly away, Bi. Di makita. Bagang may kiwi. Okay man. Paang ko lang ng kiwi.
Okay na, is it a success? It's a success! For me, it's a success. Wow! First time, not bad for a first timer. Achieve. The hair is achieved. Good job, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Success kita sa buong. Bye-bye.